Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Open Green Energy. In this video I will show you how to make a pocket sized solar emergency light. You can charge this lamp by using a 5 to 6 volt solar panel or by using a standard USB phone charger. You can use this emergency light as a power bank to charge your smartphone and tablets. You can use this device for navigation during the camping. So without any further delay, let's move to make the project. To make this project, you will need TP4056 lithium-ion battery charger, MT3608 boost converter module, female USB port, micro USB port, and a rocker switch, bicolor LED, 5.5mm DC jack, compass, 4V LED strip, 18650 battery, and finally the 18650 battery holder. Before moving to make this project, let's understand the schematic first. The entire circuit is run by two 18650 battery. The two batteries are charged by a TP4056 lithium-ion charging module. At the input, a DC jack and a micro USB port is connected. The two batteries are connected in parallel. The positive terminal is connected to TP4056B plus terminal and negative terminal is connected to B minus terminal. The output plus terminal is connected to boost converter IN plus terminal as well as the rocker switch, and the output minus terminal is connected to boost converter IN minus terminal and it is directly connected to the LED panel negative terminal. The boost converter output plus terminal is connected to 5V and out minus is connected to the ground. You can download the schematic from the link given in video description. First we have to connect the two batteries in parallel. Before connecting the two batteries in parallel, you have to check the battery voltage. The two battery voltages shall be very close to each other. Here I am using 18650 battery holder. Before soldering the terminal wires, use small amount of flux. It is highly recommended to use a high quality soldering iron, because the heat transfer from the soldering iron tip to the battery damages the battery life. I will highly recommend to use a spot welder. After preparing the battery pack, you have to prepare the DC jack, USB port and switch. I have used heat shrink tube to insulate the soldering joints to avoid any accidental short circuit. Solder terminal wires to the boost converter. Here I am using red wire for positive terminal and black wire for negative terminal. Now you have to connect the boost converter out plus terminal to the USB 5V and out minus terminal to the ground. The pinout diagram for USB is shown in the video. The charger module has inbuilt status LED. As we are going to place the charger module inside the enclosure, so we have to solder a external LED for indicating the charging status. I am using a coin cell to identify the red and green terminal of the LED. I have designed a custom enclosure for this project by using Autodesk Fusion 360. Then I have printed the enclosure by using my Creality CR10. You can download the .stl files from Thingiverse. The link is given in the video description. Now I am going to use 4 threaded heat set inserts to secure the screws. Install all the components to the slots given in the 3D printed enclosure. I have used hot glue to mount all the components. You can make all the electrical connection as per the schematic diagram. You have to set the boost converter output to 5 volt by adjusting the trim port. Mount the boost converter and charger module by using double-sided tape. At last, install the compass to the 3D printed enclosure by using hot glue. Mount the LED panel to the front enclosure by using double-sided tape. Now the lamp is ready. Before use, I will recommend to charge it first. You can charge the lamp by using a standard USB charger or by using a 5 to 6 volt solar panel. The red LED indicate the battery is charging and green LED indicate the battery is fully charged. This lamp can be used as a power bank to charge the smartphone and tablets. Use the compass for navigation during the camping and trekking. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.